bite. Hard.
It's a squirrel. The giraffe chasing a squirrel.
I just want to smell you. I won't bite.
Oh.
Hard.
The squirrel could have already been up the tree. It is actually
Are
aggravating.
you recording, P.S.? Did you say jump? Like, I'm going to scare you.
I wish, Mama, you could record a video. Somebody record this.
I am, and you're doing the commentary for it, or whatever it's called.
It's a baby one.
That's funny.
It's just chasing.
It's not running away. Like, it's purposely aggravating it.
Yeah, don't your problem. You're like, ha ha, you're not going to do it.
I'm scared.
What's wrong? That's
Get over here. He's going in circles. It's all. Okay, I'm going to act like
Like,
I'm
alright,
chasing
getting
him and
old.
attack him.
I think the squirrel.
Waiting to
The
sneak.
ostrich looks like
He's waiting to sneak attack. He's going to hoof him.
No,
in the
he's
face
trying to
in a
get
second.
his
Yeah,
nut.
get
He's
in
trying to
that.
get his nut.
Get in that little squirrel.